siyang nagpo-pause para siyang lifting. Pero hindi siya lifting kasi yung placement na kamay nasa taas. Turn palm through. Yan. Good girl. Cross, turn palm through, turn palm behind.
Step tayo sa 1 and 2. Dito tayo mag-start ha. Una, cross, cross. After ng double cross, ito bucket, inverted pivot. Inverted split pivot. After yan, delayed through. Step in, then cross. Kabilang side naman yan. Cross, reverse.
Kung bakit namin ito pinagagawa ni Coach sa inyo, more than the footwork, pinahasa namin yung utak nyo. Hindi naman natin talaga totally gagamitin ito sa game. Pero ang tinitrain kasi natin dito, kung paano kayo ka-discipline sa paa ninyo at paano nag-function yung brain nyo. So ang purpose natin, habang ini-enhance yung footwork nyo, ini-enhance din natin yung brain nyo.
Ito natin, pocket. Ito naman, through. After nyan, partial through. After nyan, foot switch, then through. Foot switch, then through. After nyan, pag magre-reset tayo, ito, kasama natin, reset, reset behind.
Dito mo. Lalakad na si Coach JB, execute yung footwork ng pangalawa. Ang tawag dito, push. Pag pinasa niyo yung katawan niyo pa forward, push. Tawag dyan. Maglalad si Coach JB nang naka-split, then through or between the legs. Delay judo. Wow. Go. Rebound. Go legs. Rebound. Nice one, Sid. Yan. Pag tumalbog, saka lang kayo mag-turn. Holy